Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Saturday 7th December 2024. 6 December 2024 UK 49 lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. Lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 15, number 36 and number 40. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. UK 49's lunchtime prediction number, first lunchtime prediction number 20, number 30, number 18, number 22, number 36, booster number 42. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number 4, number 13, number 27, number 9, number 31, booster number 45. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.